I feel like I should just stop talking to him. This is probably why I'm single, guys. This is probably why I'm single. So I'm just sitting here about to do my makeup, and I'm just realizing that I don't like any of the guys I'm talking to. It's not even that many, and I cannot meet new guys because we're shut down out here. So, and I don't like dating online, so I'm just stuck with these guys. Now let me explain why I don't like him. Now, this probably sounds so bad, but we've been talking, this is like the second year we've been talking, but this whole year we haven't been able to hang out or do anything because how we're shut down out here in LA. All the restaurants is closed, so we can't go on a date, and he is so afraid of COVID. Now I know I don't like to live in fear like that. If you guys see my last vlog, like last month for my birthday, I went out of state, and he had a panic attack when he found out that I did that. And then let's go. But it was for my birthday, and I'm not gonna be stuck in the house for my birthday. And so when I came back, he made me do a self-quarantine for 14 days, and then he told me after I showed no symptoms, we can like go to the park or something. So I'm like, okay. I did my quarantine. Once the time was up, he still did not want to hang out. He says that the quarantine. Ooh. See? Okay. His explanation was how bad COVID got and how there's no beds anymore. So he like it's just getting real bad, and he want to wait. And mind you, this is gonna last for another year, maybe even 2 more. We never know. But I'm not gonna dictate my life on that. So like I kind of pull myself back from him because I know it's bad, but I really don't like that he's so afraid of going outside. Mind you, he haven't even been outside yet. Like, he doesn't go outside, and he works from home. So I feel like I should just stop talking to him. This is probably why I'm single, guys. This is probably why I'm single. Alright, so let's talk about the second guy. Now, I don't even consider him dating because like he's my ex, so we just been trying to, I don't consider Kendall, I don't know what it is. And like I said on my live, you guys not follow me on TikTok, I go on live literally every night and I just talk to you guys. Just, you guys are like my diary, so I'll put my link in the description box. So anyway, with him, it's just, I feel like this is probably rekindling, keep on talking to him, but like I said, it's like one thing that I do not like, I don't like that he does. So basically I am alone, and I don't have any, like, I don't even have, like, we can't even go out, and I cannot even meet anybody now. So that's my dilemma. Tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong for letting him stop talking to that guy because he's so afraid to go outside. So enough of me ranting. It's time to start. Ooh, why I keep dropping this? I'm just gonna, I really don't even feel like putting on makeup on. We're about to head there now. My cousin's already there. He has a food truck. I feel like he's been on the Maine. I feel like you guys, dang, I think it's kitchen. Yeah, his truck is the pop-up kitchen. We're probably gonna support him and then see. I'm gonna show you guys how it is there. But you guys seen it, but I'm still gonna vlog it just for the new people. And make sure you are following and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out, guys. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, beauty vlogs, and fitness. And I have been so consistent this whole year that we've been quarantined. I've been like killing it with the videos, and I hope that you guys have been watching it and get to know me more. So, you ready?
I'm ready.
I need to get a hat. I'm throwing a hat, and then we're gonna head out. I don't know if I should bring my vlogging camera. Look at all this mask you got. Thank you. Alright.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, we ready.
Alright.
We came right on time too. We was about to walk back.
Did you get my message?
Yeah, got it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you was already on your way back.
Yeah,
This your mom.
Okay, hold this.
Let's see. And this one is shoes. You got the waffle, right?
Yeah, well, we're gonna share it anyway.
Okay.
Thank you. No, you can't. You can't.
So you alright? You about to go to the store?
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get some more fish.
Yeah. You cool? Okay, so we just got done. We got some food. This is from my cousin's food truck. Pop-up
kitchen?
Yeah, pop-up. I don't know why I say pop-up chicken. Pop-up kitchen. Coleslaw. I'm gonna taste it in a minute. I'm tasting everything. You know I'm greedy. So what you think how the event went?
It was nice. It was a nice turnout. I like to see people. Oh, you're
So what?
I like to see our people out there trying to make it.
Right, making it. We're making it. He can cook.
Oh, this is a waffle.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get. Alright, so we got waffle. Ooh.
Oh.
Let's try it.
Answer.
So you only get one half?
Mm-hmm.
Get your knife ready. Hold on, we doing this ghetto style. Let me tag him real quick. Okay, I'm gonna put my hands on. Oh, he gets butter too. You putting butter on yours?
Mm-mm.
Okay, this is ghetto, but we're gonna get it. There's so much going on over here.
All right, y'all. Thumbs up or what?
I don't need that bite. Okay, so food was good. What'd you think, Mom? Yeah, thumbs up. I'm so full. We tore up that waffle. That waffle was so bomb. All right.
He changed the game with that waffle.
Yeah. Bomb. Bomb.
Shout out to Pop-Up Kitchen.
Yeah, that's my cousin.
Cousin Maine.
All my cousins are bosses out here. Anyway, I need to go home, start editing. I kind of want to get a lottery ticket.
Oh, yeah.
What's going on over there? Y'all hear that?
The truck guy you like.
He here?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Mama wanna go see him. Oh my God, he's here. I'm like, what?
She loves this.
Oh
guy.
my God! So it's this guy. He plays the drums on the back of his car, and that's him. It's about to be a
You want
party.
to go get a little video?
It's about to be a party. I don't. Okay. I kind of like, what is that doing? All right, we're gonna go over there. I'm gonna show you guys.